Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to the beach. You read the title right. It's Leo's first time. We're headed there. It's been kind of cloudy and rainy. Y'all can't tell because my windows are fogged up, but it's finally clear and hopefully it stays clear for the rest of the day. We checked the weather, it should, and Leo loves it, so stay tuned.
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain.
Hey guys, so we have made it to South Beach. We parked in where Equinox is. You can't see it, but Leo's in his carrier because he's too heavy, and we didn't want to bring the stroller. We were scared that it could get stuck, and we didn't want to be stuck with the stroller. So he's in his kangaroo pouch, and we're headed to South Beach now. We're walking on Washington Avenue, and we'll see y'all on the beach. We are stranded at the Starlight, beautiful South Beach hotel. They gave us water, and it started raining. Clearly, y'all can see that. But we're gonna wait for it to rain. This died out. It said 4, let me see 4. So this is gonna stop at 4, and we're gonna try to go back. But Leo's enjoying this. He's enjoying all of it. Hopefully, he doesn't get hungry and start crying. It's a food break. Feel baby. Other than that, we're good, but hopefully it stops raining. We're walking up to my favorite place.
Yeah, I'm restless, so give me something to do. Yeah, I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show them how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight, and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shot.
Leo. It started raining again, so we had to leave. And we are shopping. Lizzie.
I'm just an accident waiting to happen like.
She's getting a souvenir. It's a postcard. She got this one. No, it's a lie. She got this one. We are now at Chili. We did a little outfit change. Local trap star. But we're about to eat. Leo sleep. And it's lit. If y'all know me, well, y'all don't know me, but if y'all knew me, y'all would know that I freaking love Chili's. Like, it's lit, okay? Lizzie. What'd you get?
It's called, what is it called? I forgot.
So this is a midnight cookies and cream sundae. It looks so good. Yeah, I don't know how to say the name of this ice cream place, but it's lit.
Peace up.
guys, we are home. The beach was not a success though. It wasn't. It started raining and it was just doing too much. So we're gonna try again on Sunday for my graduation pictures. But we actually ate at Bayside. It was really good and it was free. The waiter really liked us. No, there was just some little bit of errors going on and then they made it free. But who cares? It was free. And Lizzie has some ice cream. We're just gonna relax for tonight. We went to Zara, I think, too. Yeah, we went to Zara, too. Well, y'all saw, so y'all already know that. But regardless, we'll see y'all next time. Bye.